It's my favorite time of the year. Festivals everywhere, whether you are in North, South, West, or East India, everyone is celebrating the festivals. It's Durga Puja time, Dussehra time. It's gonna be Diwali time pretty soon. And I'm already getting a lot of invitations for the Diwali party, and that's why I decided to build a really classy everyday carry kit, which I can carry with me in the upcoming party season coming up in this video. Let's go. Hi, my name is Ayan. On this channel, I help you find the right tools for your daily life adventures, and some of the right tools are actually a great conversation starters in the party. And since the party season, the festival season is already upon us, I decided to set up my party EDC, and that has to be classy, that has to be something that resonates with me, that has to be something that is a conversation starter. I really like when people ask about the things that I carry, and so I want to give you some ideas on what are the things that I am planning to take with me into these festival party, so you can also make and curate your everyday carry. And as always, all the links will be in the description below if you want to pick any specific thing, but I always encourage everyone to do experiment, to pick things that suits your budget, that suits your needs. But yeah, always try to keep it classy, keep it minimal, and these two words matches perfectly with the wallet that I put together for my party EDC. This one is the OP wallet by Indian Leather Company, and this one comes in the Latigo brown leather, the full grain goodness, wedge tan goodness by Indian Leather Company. And I have been using this wallet for a couple of weeks now. I actually posted an unboxing video on my Instagram, so do follow if you haven't already. But to be honest, I keep changing wallets every day depending on my everyday carry, depending on what I'm testing, because that comes with the part of this job. But since last couple of weeks, I don't really want to change this wallet. I have been carrying it everywhere. I have been carrying it daily. It's, I think, one of the best wallet that is in my collection. This is the card holder. This one is again the OP wallet by Indian Leather Company. Let's take a closer look. So one of the reasons that I feel this one is the best wallet, especially for my needs, is number one, I use American Express travel card for most of my expenses every day, and I have made a video. You can check it out last week. All my credit card details are there. But yeah, this one is the card that I use. So this one is a quick access. I can put it over here. But again, there are few places that doesn't accept American Express, and then I have to fall back to another card. And this wallet has two quick access card slots on the outside itself. So that's why so far it has been the perfect wallet. Both of my quick access cards are on the front. And if there are any other card, any other ID, some cash that I want to use, then I use the middle slot, which can actually carry more cards. But the best part about this wallet is not the leather. It's not really this quick access card pocket. It's a craftsmanship that Indian Leather Company is doing. Look at the burnished edges. Look at the stitches. Everything. They have been giving a 10 years of warranty on the stitching itself, and yeah, that speaks volume. So I'm a huge advocate of buying quality products, buying it one, buy it for life kind of products. And I actually also love their logo, Indian Leather Company. The Indian map shines here greatly, and also on the back, this one looks very classy. Latigo brown, I think one of the best leather that they have come up with. And yeah, I cannot really stop praising this wallet, but I think this is one of the most classiest wallet in my collection, and it's a great for the party EDC that I'm going ahead with. So yeah, this is the OP wallet by Indian Leather Company. Again, the link will be in the description below, and I also made a full reel if you want to check out the unboxing video. So yeah, that's there. But talking about something to match with it, let's talk about this knife sheath also by Indian Leather Company in the same leather. This one is again the Latigo brown. So this one makes for a great combination, because for my EDC I always like to carry at least one tool with me, at least a pocket knife with me. And when going to the party, I don't want any pocket knife that looks out of the place. So I want something that looks well with the part of my EDC and not also raise a lot of eyebrows. So this one is the victorinox Pioneer 2024 edition ALOX version. So this one is something that can solve all the problems that I can might encounter. This one has a bottle opener. This one has pry bars, food can opener, and again a good enough knife for all sort of things, cutting fruits and all sort of things. Yeah, a lot of people have asked me why I carry a knife, but yeah, I usually say then just carry it for a couple of weeks and then we can talk. So I want something that doesn't look out of the place, especially when I'm going to my friends and family's house in the party season. So this one stays very well in this sheath, and you don't really need to put it out unless you need it. But yeah, I have added this small leather lace over here, and this one is the brass bead that goes over here. Matches really well with the aesthetic, and you can see we are going for a dark tan look. So usually when I'm talking about EDC, my go-to is the matte black look or the tan look, but the Latigo brown is giving the matte sort of a dark tan look for my party EDC, which I really admire. And yeah, these two things goes really well hand in hand, and these two stays in my front pocket. So yeah, these are the two things that I'm adding in my party EDC. Talking about what next, let's talk about the watch. So I'm going for a dress watch, and this one is the Titan dress watch, and this one is a very old watch. Actually, I don't really know if it's still in the circulation, because this one is my dad's watch, which he bought when he was still in the university back in the days. And it's a very I would say classy watch, a dress watch, a minimal watch. This one comes in the rectangle dial. And the leather strap, is put by me. I have changed it recently, but the dial looks great in the off-white shade. It also has a date complication, and if you look at the way the numbers are represented, it's a very unique I haven't seen this in any of the watch. So yeah, this one is a dress watch. Let's take a look how it looks. Again, it's a small minimal form factor, but yeah, and this watch has a lot of scratches, but even still it has fetched me a lot of compliment. A lot of people have asked about it. And yes, that's my dad watch. He still wears it sometimes, but yeah, I have taken it over from him. So yeah, that's totally in my control these days. And yeah, compare it with my wallet, compare it with my multi-tool. This looks really in place. And this also has some sort of a dark tan, sort of a blackish look. And the dial, golden dial, looks great. I don't really know if I can get a service and get the, scratches removed. But yeah, even with that, it proves that it's a time-tested watch and still going strong after almost 2-3 decades. So yeah, that stays in my Party EDC. The next thing that I take in my Party EDC is cash. So usually in the North India, whenever there's a Diwali party, we play a lot of card games, especially the flush, and for that we require cash. And because I'm carrying a slim wallet, the OP by the company, there is not much space for a lot of cash, and that's where this bad boy comes into the picture. So this one is the APX tool clip, and this one is available on my website in 2 colors, the black and the silver one. And this you can use to hold cash. So you can also use it to hold double folded note, but I like to put 3 folded notes and make it more minimal. So because it has a cash stasher sandwich sort of a design, you can actually carry 3 different stash over here. So over here I'm carrying 2. This one is the 100 rupee stash. I think this one is 6-7 notes, and this one is the 500 rupee stash. And on the middle you can also carry some visiting cards if you're meeting some new people, or you can carry some more cash. So yeah, that's I always like to carry some cash with me, especially if we're going to a party where there's a plan to play some cards. So yeah, for the Diwali parties we usually play flush, and nevertheless it's always good to have some cash with you all the time. So APX tool clip is available. You can buy it on the website, either the color you like or also as a combo and save some money on the go. The link will be in the description below. Alright, next thing for my Party EDC is this. So I usually like to smoke a cigar with my friends, with my cousins every now and then, and this one is the APX tool Vyra cigar dog. Again, I have solved my problem. So there was not a good travel friendly cigar dogs that are available in the market, and usually if you go to some people's home, they have a cigarette ashtray, but not really the cigar ashtray, things like that. So I have created this myself. It's made up of MDF, and it also comes with the full grain leather cover. This leather cover is made by my friend Om, a little astronaut, designed by him, and it looks really, really good. And over here you can put your cigar like this. If there are 2 people smoking, then one can put over here, one can put over here, and once you're done smoking, then you can disassemble it, and then it goes back over here. It can stays in your jacket pocket, it can stays in your back pocket, it can also stays in your car. And yeah, that's a small Vyra cigar dog, small form factor. And yeah, it used to have the old Apex tool logo, but yeah, looks really, really good and classy. On the same note, I usually carry a small hip flask with me. This one is the Ember hip flask by APX tool again, and this one is also available on my website. So if you want to carry any liquor with you, or even water if you're a teetotaler, then you can use the Ember hip flask. So this one is a small flask. I think this one is a 150 ml one, but we also have a 200 ml one. And usually I carry my favorite bourbon. And if you need a bourbon recommendation, then let me also bring this one. So this one is my currently favorite bourbon. This one is a Knobs Creek. I picked a bottle from New York, and usually when I'm going out party, I have some with me over here. I just put it over here like this, and then it goes in this again full grain leather cover, and then put the bourbon and then seal it with this cork cap like this, just in case the party host doesn't have my favorite drink, or I want someone to try my favorite bourbon. This is the go-to. But yeah, you can use it to also carry water, juice, whatever you prefer. So that also stays in my Party EDC. Alright, so that makes my Party EDC. First one is the OP Wallet Pioneer and the company, then the victorinox Pioneer 2024 limited edition A-locks, which also goes in the company sheath, my cash stasher APX tool clip, the Vyra cigar dog, the Amber hip flask, and also my Titan dress watch. It's actually my father's, but I am stealing it for the time being. So yeah, you can see there's a good dark tan theme going on over here. Everything complements each other really well, and these are still very much functional and not just looks. Let me know what you think about my Party EDC. Let me know what other things that I can add to make it even better, even more useful. But before you go, check out this video where I showcase amazing everyday carry items that you can pick under 1000 rupees, and this video where I showcase all my everyday carry credit cards and how I use them on day-to-day basis. But on that note, thank you for staying to the very end. Have a great festival season, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.